This sweet moment is our opportunity to come home. It is our opportunity to land in the realm of love, of God, of Spirit, of Source. This presence within us calls our sacred name. This presence within us sees who and what we are. It is the presence of wholeness, well-being, deep, deep peace. So if it's with a complete breath, if it's envisioning yourself opening a door into the sacred space, if it's taking a step and leaning in, we are called to the silence, to the awareness, to the knowing. Spirit is in the midst. And let us rest on this truth. Ever so gently, we acknowledge this presence and we acknowledge the truth of our being. We are created, we are made manifest from the heart of pure love. And so it is. And so we let it be.